Good morning, buenos dias. I hope all of my besties are doing amazing today. I just wanted to let you know that we are going to be moving into an RV. We are super excited for this journey. We are going from a 2,000 square foot home to an RV. And this is going to be a journey because we have to declutter a lot, get rid of a lot of things, sell them. All of our furniture, we are currently selling them. We got rid of our couch already and the area rug, the whiteboard. Hopefully someone's gonna pick up the classroom set. So to make it easier on ourselves, we put like tape on these so we don't have to put them in bags. So that's what we did with the hangers here. And right here, we used these bags so we can have so much more storage. Right here, this was filled to like up here, and these storage little baggies made it so much easier. We can store more in these totes, these big totes right here. Overall, I am super happy with those little storage baggies because you can store like a bunch of clothes in one baggie. We also did it with my daughter's clothes as well. So like we have like maybe 4 in there. I'm not sure if you can tell in there, but there's like 4 in there. This is what my closet looks now. I just took out all of the shoes here. I just have to go through this and see what I want and what I don't want. This here as well. We'll see what we do with all this here. Here, not organizing, but picking out what we don't need and what we do need. Well, my husband did that part. I did the dishes. Now to take all the spices and stuff. Now that I finished in the kitchen, the only thing we have to do is take the little things inside of the RV, since the RV is right here. And I'm just gonna go inside of the room, declutter what I do not want and what I do want. That's inside of those totes. Once I finished decluttering and throwing away some things that we don't need, the things that are like kind of broken and stuff, we started to put things inside of the U-Haul. It was late and we were doing this almost the whole night. My husband also went to drop off the things at my mother-in-law's house and my mom's house. And the reason why we were doing this so late is because my husband was going to start his job like within the 2 days, so we had to hurry and do all of this. Since we couldn't really sell all of our things, we had to hurry to pack everything to take it to my mother-in-law's house and my mom's house, so that we didn't have to, book a storage. We didn't even have the time to even do that either. While my husband went to go take all of our things to my mother-in-law's house and my mom's house, I stayed home and I decided to clean everything and put some things inside of the RV. That way we have, 2 people doing something instead of just going together and dropping off things at their houses. If I'm remembering correctly, I think we had to make 2 trips to drop everything off. So once my husband came home, he went back the next day. Good morning, besties. This is our RV. I just made our bed. Now to put all of this stuff. We've been living here for a week now. All of this stuff we're gonna put it on the bed because we're gonna be moving today to another destination. I don't have a tripod yet. I haven't unpacked everything, so I'm just gonna put all of this stuff here and I'll just show you afterwards. This is what it looks like whenever it's all packed, and right here. So now we're going to put in the slide. What is that bag? The Bridge of Ohio, besties. And it looks like it's gonna rain too.
It's the Bridge of Ohio. That one looks like the Titanic.
I know, right? It does.
Wait, this is America, not Ohio.
This is Ohio.
Why do you see America?
So beautiful. The mountains in the back. They're not mountains, but I don't know what they are. What are they?
No idea.
Yeah, well, that right there is so beautiful.
We're heading towards East Youngstown. Or Youngstown.
Youngstown. East.
Youngstown?
Yeah.
Everybody will be young there.
Boy. This reminds me of Mexico.